Alright, so now I'm gonna show you my smart switch, which I have made using a ESP8266 microcontroller and Wi-Fi receiver. And what it does is it controls my living room light right there, my fan right here, and my doorway light, which is outside the door over here. Now I've installed it behind this panel over here. As you can see, there is an indicator light which says that our smart switch is working right now. And if I just switch this on from here manually, my lights still work. But if it's off, what you can do is you can bring your phone where you have installed the controller web requests and just open the app on your phone, and from here the switches are still off, okay? And from here you press to on, and voila, over here you can see it says GPIO 5 is now high. So GPIO 5 can be renamed as living room light, and GPIO 4 as living room fan, GPIO 2 as doorway light, or whatever. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this at low by pressing the off button, and there you go, light switches off. Now let's see the fan. Okay, so the fan is off, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press on over here. Oh, oops, sorry. And the fan starts. Then I want to switch it off, so I'm just gonna press off. Now everything is off. Now let's see the doorway light. So the doorway light is off right now, and now I'm press on. Oh wait, I think it is the second one. Hang in there, guys. Yep, it's the second one, and then I can switch it off. Done. So that's basically how it works. All you gotta do is just get a small box of this smart switch and install it in your switchboard panel, and you can control your appliances from anywhere in the house. Thank you.